So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to learn about the strings. So let's start. A string is a sequence of characters used to represent text. Okay, so it is a sequence of characters, okay, and it is used to represent a textual data. Next point, strings are commonly used for storing and manipulating textual data in the computer programs. Okay, so it is used to store the textual data and we manipulate the textual data using the strings only. Next point is the strings are immutable. Okay, so it means that we cannot change or update string once it's declared. Okay, so once string is created in our program, if you want to update the string, if you want to change the value of the string, then it is not possible. Okay, we cannot change the string value. How to create a string object? Okay, so there are two ways to create a string object. So first is by string literals and second by new keyword. So let's see the first, string literals. So Java string literals is created by using double quotes. For example, so I've created a string here. So first we have to write the keyword for string. Okay, so S should be capital here. Then we have to give the variable name. So I have given the variable name as S. Then in double quotes we have to give the textual data, okay, or the sequence of characters we can write in this. So the second type is, this is the type by using the new keyword. So here also we have to take the data type as string, and here we have to use the variable name, some variable name we have to give, and I have given here as, and then here we have used new keyword. Then again we have to write the data type, okay, and in brackets we have to give the uh, sequence of characters. Okay, this way we can create a string by using new keyword. Let's see both the type in detail. Okay, so let's start with the string literals. Okay, each time you create a string literal, the JVM checks the string constant pool first. So what is meant by the string constant pool? String constant pool is the, basically a string objects are stored in a special type of memory area, that name is this string constant pool. Okay, so JVM checks in the string constant pool first. If the strings are already exist in the pool, a reference to the pool instant is written. Okay. If the string does not exist in the pool, a new string instance is created and placed in the pool. So for example, I have created two strings here. Okay, string s1 and string s2. So in this, it does not create a new instance. So I've created one drawing here. This is the string constant pool, and this whole is called as heap. and these are the two strings. So both the pointing to the same string only. A new string or a new instance is not created. Only one object will be created. Firstly, JVM will not find any string object with the value welcome, okay, in the string constant pool. That's why it will create a new object. After that, it will find a new string with a value welcome, okay, in the pool. It will not be create a new object here, but it will return a reference to the same instance here, okay. Let's take a second example for new keyword. So I've created a string s3 here with new keyword, and second I've created s4 with string literals. If we create a string with string literal, and if we create a string by using new keyword, both the strings are not equal, because if we use new keyword, in that separate memory is allocated for that string, and if we use string literals, then same object will be point to that data, okay. So this is the difference between string literals and new keyword. Here you can see in the example, S3 is pointing to another data and S4 is pointing to the another data. So they are not be equal. Thank you for watching this video.